Welcome back to Carbonwurks. We've got another JCW mini video for you. So this customer saw our car, absolutely loved it. Unfortunately for us, it didn't have the pano roof that he really wanted, so he's gone out and bought another one. This car has got a really great spec. Unfortunately, it is standard, unlike our car. So he's come round for the first round of upgrades, of which is going to be all things chassis and suspension. Chiefly because, again, being LCI2 like ours, it's quite difficult to tune these, so he's going to focus on all the other big bits first. Quite a large amount of stuff going on today, so we'll take you over here to show you what's going on. Some of these bits you might recognise, so yes, that is one of our track wheels. He is having our track wheel package from our green car. So that is the two forged wheels with the Michelin Pilot Sport 2s ready to go on to complement all these other mods. Headline things going on the car this visit. We've got the ST by KW coilover suspension going on. So this is their more sort of budget entry-level suspension by KW, but made by them, so we're still happy that it's going to live up to their usual high standards. What you get with that is height adjustment, shock adjustment, and also camber adjustment, which is great because we know from our car that's what's lacking at the front end. So with all that kit, we're going to be able to hunker it down, wind on some front camber, which is going to make it bite nicely into the corners round track. Coupled with that, we've got the stud and nut kit to go on from PS Designs. We've also got the Ultra Racing braces, much like our car. Again, much like our car over here, we've got the full brake package. So from Hell, we've got the braided lines and also some Magpie stainless steel nipples going in, which will prevent them from ever being stuck in the future. We've got the Motul RBF brake fluid going in. We've also got the Forge quick shifter there, so a little bit in the engine bay, all forged in this visit actually. So the hard pipe here, which will add a little bit of volume in the engine bay. The quick shift again for a bit more feel in the gearbox department. These MMR or MMX as they're now supposedly called, adjustable drop links will help to tie in with the new coilovers to make sure that there's no preload in the roll bar, which is all important. We learnt that on our car. And lastly, a bit more than our car, we've got, I think this is pretty much the full Maxton kit. So we've got a front splitter, side skirts, and a rear spoiler lip to go on. So that'll be the final finishing pieces, which I'll probably get onto tomorrow. Behind the scenes, we've also got a steering wheel that's going on this car as well, which is one of our carbon ones, so that'll look nice. So yeah, I've got a lot of work to do. I've got to get this all on the car before I can then dial in our fast road setup with the alignment. So I've got it for 2 days. Hopefully that's long enough to get it all done. We're quite looking forward to seeing what the ST coilovers are made of. We've not run with these yet before, but we've got high hopes, like we said, coming from KW. Sets the bar really high. But everything else is our tried and tested recipe. So looking forward to getting another JCW turned up. And yeah, customers looking forward to picking it up, so I best crack on and get it ready for them.
Every single day I feel it.
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my work in. I can't leave it out of chance, let's make it certain. Yeah, I had to lose it all to find my purpose. Yeah, but I won't do that twice, it made me nervous. Let's get to work in. I'm like check one, check two, gonna get these bands now. Want this, want that, gotta be stand up. Jokes on you, boy, tell me you the man now. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew.
Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up. Feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm ballin' on the West Wall. If you told me back then, ooh, I never would've guessed so. Now the way I'm winning, I ain't have to cut the hair, hey. I said I've been saving, dog, let me see the money, hey. Now I'm popping, ooh, they looking at me funny, hey. I was in the rain, waiting for these sunny days. Made it through, you can tell me I don't love to say. On my way to that show, told them pipe down, I don't need no hoes. I've been out with my bros, even back Now they switching sides, I can't mess with y'all. I could tell they ain't real, I can't get involved. Ooh, I seen them now, and they tryna call. Oh, this summer's mine, but they tryna watch me fall.
So you join me now on day 3 of Dave's mini build, which is collection day. So as you can see, it's all finished. Doesn't it look good? So I'll run you through everything that we've done, starting at the front. So under the bonnet here, there's only a small amount to see from the top, which is your forge billet intake, or sorry, aluminium intake hose there. That deletes the standard silenced intake pipe, so that's released a bit more noise even with the stock airbox, which is nice. You've also got the Ultra Racing strut brace at the top there, which also hints at the ST Racing coilovers that we've got there with the camber adjustable top mounts. So that's under the engine bay. Oh, let's not forget under here we've also got the Forged Motorsport quick shift, which is adjustable, so that's fitted under there. I think I've got that at the sweet point now where it's adjusted, but if Dave wants it to be shorter or longer throw, then we can do that for him. So that's under the bonnet. Looking down, you've got the Maxton Designs front splitter, which is on. That's gone quite nicely. Moving around here, you've got the lovely bronze 2 forged wheels, which are from our car, or they're from our track car. Bolted to the car with PS Designs titanium stud and nut kit, which looks great. Moving along, you've then got the Maxton side skirts, which you can see, and then lastly the boot lip edge, or the boot spoiler lip from Maxton Designs as well at the rear. So that covers off everything on the outside of the car. You've then got inside our Carbonwurks black and red carbon steering wheel with the performance display, so that's now all fitted, as you may have seen in the B-roll, all functioning with the display as it was in our car too. What I'll do now is I'll quickly chuck the car up in the air, run you down what's gone on in the suspension and brakes area with the wheel off, and that should just about cover off everything on this car. So here you can see with the wheel off the rest of the package that we've got fitted to the car whilst it's been here. So big highlight is the ST coilovers, so they're height adjustable, shock adjustable. So we've dialed that all in with the height adjustment and the shock adjustment as recommended by the guys at ST. So they've gone on nicely, seems to ride really well. First impressions are really good. We've then coupled those with the MMR or MMX adjustable anti-roll bar links. They just mean that there's no preload then side to side on the anti-roll bar, which is exactly what we want. Moving outwards, you've then got the same EBC Racing brake package that we ran on, or we run on our car, should I say. So you've got the grooved and dimpled discs with the blue stuff brake pads. Couple that with the HEL braided brake line set, as well as the RBF Motul performance brake fluid change. Again, obviously PS Designs for the stud and nut, and some IVAC spaces on there just to really fill the arches at the front. So that's everything at the front. You've got the same at the rear, yellow stuff, EBC Racing brake pads, and then the Forged Motorsport camber control arms on the rear, so they're camber adjustable, which allows us to dial in some more camber there. And lastly, you've then got the rest of the Ultra Racing brake package, which Tim will overlay now. So the full set of underside body braces, just to really stiffen the chassis up to go with the coilovers and the fast road alignment that I've done on this car, just to wrap it all up. So yeah, all done. It's taken some time, this one, so about 2.5 days in now. So yeah, a lot of hours, a lot of labour gone into it, but I'm really happy with the way everything's gone. All the fit and finish is exactly how I would like it if it was my car, which I would also quite like it to be that, so that's great. Dave's due here any minute now, so hopefully he'll be really chuffed with it as well. So yeah, we're going to get it down, get it outside ready for him. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe as always, is greatly appreciated. Stay tuned for more mini content, or if you have another car, check out the rest of our channel. Until then, see you next time.